Hi, I'm Mary, and this is another magical math moment. This is part 3 of my matrix operations series here for Algebra 2 students. This is the first one involving graphing calculator, so you get to see some of the shortcuts you can use and not have to compute things by hand. So let's start with some of the keystrokes that you're going to need. We're going to be using second x inverse to get to the matrix screen. So let me show you where that is here. So the second button, x inverse, which is right here, right under math. And that brings you to this matrix screen. I don't know if I can zoom in. Oh, I can, look at that. That doesn't really help though. Okay, never mind. We're gonna leave it the way it was. Maybe in a little bit more. And then I can shift it down so you can see my screen. To edit a matrix, you're gonna right arrow over to highlight edit. And then you're gonna scroll down to the matrix you want to edit. So I could go over like this to edit, and then I can choose whatever matrix I wanna edit. Ooh, there's a lot of matrices in there. All right, lastly, let's see. You wanna type in the dimensions and enter the matrix elements by row. Then you're going to make sure to do second mode clear. That gets the calculate screen ready. Okay, so let's see what's going on here. So I'm gonna add these matrices. So when I look at this, this is a 2 by 2. This is also a 2 by 2. To add and subtract matrices, the dimensions have to be the same, so it works out. I'm just gonna put my first one in for matrix A and the second one in for matrix B. So let's go. All right, we'll start from the beginning. Second inverse brings you to your matrix screen. I don't know if I can make this any better for you. It looks very shaky, doesn't it? It looks a little strange here. Hopefully it's not too bad. Okay, so we're gonna edit matrix A. This is a 2 by 2. I'm gonna go ahead and put my elements in. Then I'm gonna second mode clear. Second inverse brings me back to this matrix screen. I'm gonna go over to edit and then go down 1 to edit matrix B. This is a common mistake by students when they're first learning how to do this because they forget that they have to go down to the other matrix. Okay, this is also a 2 by 2. We have 3, 2, 4, -6. Second mode clear. Now I want to pull these matrices onto my calculate screen. So I'm going to go back to the matrix screen, second inverse, and then 1 is highlighted for matrix A. I hit enter and look at that, matrix A pops up. I want to add to that matrix B. So I go back to the matrix screen, go down to highlight 2, or I could just hit the number 2. And then there we go, there's our sum. Isn't that fun? So this is equal to 5, 1, 11, -3. Very cool. Okay, the next one, I'm keeping the matrices the same, but this time I'm subtracting. So much like you can do with other things on the calculator, you can go up, copy and paste, and then just go back over that add, the addition symbol, make it a subtraction, and hit enter. Oh, I did it twice. So there is our difference. -1, -3, 3, 9. Cool. Okay. You can also use the calculator to help you with scalar multiplication. So in this one, I'm gonna multiply 2n to a 2 by 3 matrix. So let's go ahead and go in here. I wish this looked better. I'll try to, I don't know why it's doing that. That's very strange. What if I do this? That doesn't help. Okay, well, hopefully, I think I'm gonna leave it like that. All right, so I'm gonna clear out the stuff that's here. I'm gonna go back to the matrix screen. I'm gonna edit matrix A, make it a 2 by 3. I've got 3, -7, 5, -4, 8, and 1. Then I'm gonna go back to my calculate, hit clear. I'll put a 2, and then I'm gonna go back to my matrix screen for matrix A. And then I get my answer. Now, normally, you probably wouldn't do this for scalar multiplication because honestly, how hard is it to multiply a 2 in, right? It's not that bad. But if you end up with a monstrosity like we do in the last one here, it might be worth your time just so that you don't make a math error. But again, totally up to you. So here we go. I'm going to go back to the matrix screen, second inverse. I'm going to edit matrix A. It's a 2 by 2. 2, -10, -4, 12. Okay. Go back to the matrix screen, edit matrix B. It's a 2 by 2. 7, -8, 10, -4. And then I'm going to go ahead and edit matrix C this time. Also a 2 by 2, 15, 7, -3, 4. Perfect. We'll go back, clear out our calculate screen, and type it the way we see it. So 1/2 I'm going to enter as 0.5. Go back to the matrix screen, pull matrix A, minus matrix B, plus 5 times matrix C. And there's our solution. Yay. I shouldn't say solution, I should say answer, because we're not really solving anything, we're simplifying. I know, math semantics. Anyway, I hope that this has been helpful for you, even though the calculator doesn't really give the best appearance here, but that's okay. At least you got the keystrokes down, and hopefully it makes sense. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out part 4 so you can see how to do multiplying on here as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.